Hi guys, today we'll show you how to buy Ethereum with a credit card on the Medooza wallet. Type in the browser search bar Medooza wallet and enter the Medooza wallet site. Click on Create Wallet or download the Medooza wallet app. Create the new wallet with the username and password and keep them in a safe place. Download your backup file for maximum security, and if you already have a Medooza wallet, import your local file. Okay, now you have a secure crypto wallet, so let's learn how to buy Ethereum with a credit card or debit card. Click on your Ethereum wallet, ETH. Copy your wallet address. This is the wallet address you'll receive the tokens. Click Buy. Choose the amount you want and click Buy Now button. Fill in your email, wallet address that you copied, agree to terms and click Next. Fill in your credit card number, just like a regular online purchase, and click Next. Now fill in your contact details for security. Now you'll get a verification call or SMS to your mobile phone with a unique code to secure your purchase. Fill it as required and that's it. A few minutes later, you'll see the coins in your wallet and you can start to trade, send or keep. Good luck. The first purchase looks complicated, but to be honest, it's quite simple. And after the first time, you'll be able to keep on doing it very easily and quickly.